Heb je gebuit al? Hey, Christian is stuit op het babesbokkie.
Is het een babesbokkie?
Ja, want het nog niet eens geopend in die jaarclubie vissel. Wel dus, hoe voel je? Het lijkt of je wil gaan, hè?
Hey. Is er niet eindelijk om een babesbokkie te gooien?
Nee, ek het 'n Uyashiza fluit op die punt. So miskien is dit 'n Kaap. Ons gaan vir enigiets wat skip het. Oh, daar jump hy. Het jy gesien?
Nee.
Hy het uit die water geklim, ek dink dit kan 'n grasie wees, hè?
Okay. Hy voel of hy mooi gewig het en hy trek lekker.
Ja, dit is mooi.
Ah, julle eerste vis aan. Het voel na 'n ordentlike vis en hy trek. So bang my drag is bietjie. Ja, hy is beter. En hy swem van links na regs en hy's nou weer op pad links toe. En mense, wat 'n lieflike oggend. Dit is darm maar ongelooflik om so langs die water te kom. So ons maak vanoggend 'n bietjie 'n video en ons toets 'n bietjie nuwe produkte van Legacy series uit. En as dit so begin, gaan dit 'n lieflike dag wees.
Stuit 'n babesbokkie.
As hy, eerste een van die oggend. Sorry, dit is lekker om so te begin.
Ja, ek sê dankie vir my stok.
Dankie, Daddy.
Maar hy het hom mooi gefight, 'n pragtige vis, wel dan
Ja.
Chris. Nou vir die volgende enetjie.
Okay julle, dis lekker om hulle te vang, maar dis net so lekker om hulle terug te sit, sodat julle langs die water kan kom en hulle ook kan kom haal. So laat hierdie man swem. Dankie perd.
Dit is miskien Junie, maar die babers kom nog steeds uit, so moenie jou slangwurms en jou chill factor floaties. Ek het nou Uyashiza floatie voorgesit, moenie hulle vergeet by die huis nie. Hulle eet nog en al is dit winter. Kom ons gooi hierdie een en kyk wat dit doen. Julle neus seker so ek het weer ingegooi, teruggeloop kar toe, toe ek hier kom met die volgende stroppie toe die reën in al klaar weer gehardloop, so ons is baie dankbaar en blessed vanoggend. Die son kom nou net op. Ons kon nie eintlik by die video intro nie, want ons vang te lekker vis. So nee, laat ons die reën land. Dit voel nie so groot soos daai een wat Christian gevang het nie, maar ek weet nooit hier in die Valdam, soos by Flamingo Bay vanoggend, wat 'n stunning venue. Kom geniet dit. Dit is amper winter, daar kom 'n koue front hierdie week. So ons is baie excited om te sien wat vandag hier uitpan. Nog 'n snorretjie hier in die winter. Julle chaos. Total chaos. Ek het hierdie stok nou net gegooi. Super mooi rand gekry. So is besig om die opening shot vir die 80ste keer probeer shoot. En daar loop weer stok. Dit lyk of hier nog stokke gaan loop. So ons wil probeer om 'n opening te skiet. En ja, daar's nog 'n grasie. Kom ons check wat gaan hier aan. Yo, hey. Dis hy. Valdam op haar beste. Niemand wil kom as die wind waai en dis nie 'n lekker dag nie. Maar dis die beste tyd om hier te wees. Guys, what an epic Valdam carp. Look at the apple slices, look at the belly that's starting to form. Beautiful carp. Uyashiza, mealy and a float, because we put some mealies in the water. We did do some pre-feeding, so why not catch with a mealy
This one wasn't in long. I can't believe how quickly we're catching these nice fish in the winter in the Vaal Dam. It's nuts. I'm gonna cut this conversation short. I want to get my rod back in the water. It's time to go.
Guys, it is insane here today at Flamingo Bay. It is winter, we're in June. We did do a little bit of pre-feeding, but the wind is right, the conditions are right, and the fish are on the feed. We're out here with Legacy Series today. Guys, we're out here with the new products and we're rolling in the fish. Yes, what a morning here at the Vaal. She is producing like a beaut today. What a day, guys. Plenty of fish to come. The conditions are only going to get better for us today. The wind is going to start pumping. The fish are going to feed more actively before that massive cold front hits us tomorrow. So yeah, guys, Legends, Legacy, Vaal Dam, Flamingo Bay, public venue. Let's go. Rolling. Pow! Guys, there's my first carp out. After 4 bites, I landed my first little baby carp. There we go. On Chill Factor, that beautiful new almond. Vaal Dam, almond with a little bit of fluoro. And that's the results, guys. We're going to get the rods back in the water and land a couple of more beautiful carp at the Vaal. Let's go.
Was daai pitte wat jy nou net gekry?
Ja. En letterlik mense 5 minute terug te kom ingesit. Dit is ongelooflik hier. Maar hierdie is 'n swaar vis. Voel of ek 'n boot trek.
Kyk hierdie mooi kop.
Doof, guys, on with another fish. Pip in front, a little floaty, a little almond floaty. That Chill Factor almond float just in front of the Chill Factor Pip. Fish on again. Yes, let's get this one in the net. Let's check it out. Get the rods back in the water. We are having a ball today. The fish is absolutely nuts. Well, guys, there we go. Baby and Boetie, Christian.
Lekker.
What a day at the Vaal. Legends. Jessie.
Dis hoekom ons hier is.
Dis hoekom ons hier is. Ons word bederf vandag, soos kliphard. Julle is vis links, regs, lyne af, lyne de mekaar. Treie word gebrei, maar visse word gevang. Dit is epic.
Nee, what a day. Dit is ongelooflik. En dit raak lekker as mens nou sulke visse begin vang.
Very much so, nee. Wanneer los het jy sulke stukkies in die Vaal Dam gevang?
Ja, kyk, dis lekker.
Dis lekker. Guys, julle Legends, pap gooi of niks. Hier by die Vaal, te lekker. Bada booms. Let's get the fish back in the water. Let's catch another one. Lekker man.
Absolute chaos, guys. Every time we want to shoot the intro, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. The rod goes absolutely nuts. Not gonna put the rod now back now. Gonna make an intro first, then we'll see what's shaking.
Guys, this is not the biggest fish, but this is probably the most beautiful carp I've ever caught at the Vaal Dam. Look at the strain. Look at this head. At the scoff, papa. Absolutely amazing. I was just telling the guys, I think we should take it home, give it a name. It's really, really beautiful. Absolute stunner. Again, Ouya Shisha, millipip, and a float in front. That's the story. I just want to say, I've got a name for it. Say the name. Ouya Shisha. Ouya Shisha. She's hot. Really pretty fish. Really beautiful carp, right? Shot, guys.
Oh. Julle, nog 'n grasie hier aan die lyn. Epic day. Alles hardloop gelyktydig hier by ons. Ons kan net hierdie kant. Hey. Hy's nog nie reg om te kom nie. Done and dusted. As hy julle nog 'n grasie, nie die grootste een nie, maar let's get him back in the water and grade him up.
There we go, guys. Myself and Brendan. Pow! On.
Yo.
Two beautiful carp again. On the line. We're going to net them. Show them to you. Another double up at Flamingo Bay. Let's go. Nice little carp again. There we go, guys. Another beautiful carp in the net. Let's go net for Brendan. Let's get his fish in the net and then we'll show what they look like. Guys, so Brendan is on with a big grassy. Let's go check it out. I just landed that smaller carp. So let's go land that grassy. Let's go.
Guys, PB, winter time is
My
PB
braaf, jy het
time.
finally jou grassy.
En daar breek die strop. Well done,
My
right?
braaf.
Kan skep.
Yes! Yes!
Check hierdie vis. Wow.
Yo!
There we go.
Check daai
Daar's jou grassy, my braaf.
Okay, ek gaan nou net video's neem. Ek's klaar vir die dag. Yo!
Daai ding het super snaaks gebyt, hè.
Julle Millipit, Ouya Shisha float voor. Net heeldag gegooi naby die merker, bietjie verby, nie op die merker nie, net in die area. Super snaaks gebyt, het net hom opgetel en hom al gehou. Check hierdie grasmasjien wat ons hier het. What a time, julle, winter is PB tyd, dis groot vis tyd. Kom by die dam, kom vang mooi vis. Guys, it's 10 o'clock at Flamingo Bay, at the Vaal Dam, and it's nuts. It's absolutely nuts. Okay. Guys, 10 o'clock at Flamingo Bay, at the Vaal Dam in the winter. Boys, wat
sê julle?
Nee,
Insane. Insane. Wallas, julle, dis visse links, regs, op die oewer, af die oewer, binne in die water, uit die water. Dit is
En die
crazy,
stokke
julle.
bly hardloop. Daar's nie eers stokke in die water nie.
Hulle bly hardloop. Daar's nog een in en hy het ook 'n byt. So dis crazy. Ons moet hom nog gaan haal, maar julle Flamingo Bay Legends Pro Angling, julle, what a day. Baie dankie julle. What a beautiful day.
Prefrontal.
Prefrontal ry.
En ek wil hom net sê Ouya Shisha is hot, maar hy gaan nou koud kry want dit sy piepie.
Yes! Hey, well done!
Bietjie teen die ore.
Well done, Brendan.
Thanks, Ray.
Gaan jy nou Ek en Brendan staan daar agter en sê, "Ja, dit sal nice wees om nog visse te vat." En toe sing ek hierdie tasse uit die water uit op. So ek hoop maar dit is 'n karpie ook. Ek het nou vir die eerste keer weer vir 'n karpie gegooi. Christian het daar 'n mooi karp in die net, so kom ons kyk Ouya Shisha en Chill Factor floaties. Daar's Kaap Ouya Shisha. Okay, julle, ek en Christian albei nog karpies. Dit is ongelooflik lekker, Chris.
Ja nee, kyk, laat ek vir julle sê hierdie moet nou werk.
Ja, nee, ons is besig. Ouya Shisha floats en die Ouya Shisha dip wat julle daar gesien het. Ek sit dit ook met Oracle op myne.
Ek sit net 'n minipit op die onderste hoek ook saam met daai floatie en ek vlat die bal. Barend het my geleer.
Ja,
Wag, ons kry net 'n vis. Barend het my geleer hoe meer dip hoe beter. So ek gebruik daai Ouya Shisha met Delta Force en mense kan nie voorbly.
dis 'n pragtige vis.
Ja.
Kyk sy skof en dit is 'n jong vis.
Dis 'n jong vis, ja.
Shop julle, ons sit hulle terug. 'n Boetie en sis.
Ja, kyk, julle mag dalk nou 'n bietjie groter visse vang, maar ek het julle lankal getrippel.
Roll it. Pow! Guys, it's pure chaos. We've been catching so many fish, nice fish out of the bowl. And lo and behold, another fish on the net. Oi, quick drags from the Altegras. Thank you for that. Some of them aren't the biggest, but they are feisty. They do not want to come in. Once they hit this cold water, they're like, omdraai terug dam toe. So yeah, let's get this fish in the net. Let's see what it looks like. Let's go, guys. Lekker Flamingo Bay Legends, bro. Let's do this. Hey, another nice little carp. Decent sized fish coming out of the bowl today. Get in the net. Pow! Yet another double up. Christian with another massive grassy in the net. Guys, welcome to Flamingo Bay. Storm, you have an amazing spot on the Vaal. It is the hottest bank on the Vaal Dam at the moment. So guys, if you want to make your Vaal Dam fishing prolific in the winter, Flamingo Bay is the place to be. Storm, what do you say?
What can I say? We're all blessed. I mean, with the amount of fish caught this morning, it's insane.
It's insane, guys.
I can't believe you, Oaks. I mean, there's like, what, 30 fish in 2-3 hours.
It's insane, guys. So there's your winter venue for the winter. Flamingo Bay at the Vaal Dam. Let's go.
Brilliant. Well done.
Christian.
Hey manne, wag, ek is net draai, laat hom net sy kop draai. Net sy kop draai. Ek kom vir jou nou terugbring.
Christian, wat sê jy nou?
Ja, manne.
Maak los daai drek.
Hy is los, hy is redelik los.
Is hy redelik los?
Ja.
Vertel vir ons wat gaan hier.
Nee, hier's moeilikheid, maar kyk net hierdie ding se vind. Dit is 'n ongelooflike bus van 'n visie. Draai jou kop, draai jou kop. Hy wil net nie sy kop vir ons draai nie. Maar kyk net hierdie bus. Dis 'n submarine. Hey.
Christian, nog 'n tank.
Jy's 'n eyster. Thank you very much.
Well done, yes. Ek dink ons almal
Grassy prefrontal. There we go.
Hey. Hierdie is die hemel. Hierdie is die hemel. Guys, what a fish. Lovely catching these grass carps here at Flamingo Bay. We had a spectacular morning. I think this is the third big grassy coming out. We've been busy. I'm so glad both of my rods are out of the water so that I can just get something to drink. Unreal. We are Sisa, Barend Breed Legacy Series, new floaties, dips, mealies. It's a hot spice. Get it. I've been so busy, you won't believe it. So get to the water. It's a lovely, lovely day, and it's in the winter. So get to the water.
Another decent fish on here. Oh, jenne, truitjie breed. Luckily it's underneath. Another decent fish on here at Flamingo Bay, guys. The water is a bit murky from the wind that's pumping into the bay, but we're not complaining. The fish are feeding before that cold front, prefrontal. So yes, guys, don't know what this is. It looks like it might be a little grassy. Nice carp. There we go. Another decent carp, guys, giving us a good fight here at Flamingo Bay. Yes, hot spice, puppy, hot spice. Brendan, what is it called? Doof. There we go, guys. Beautiful Flamingo Bay carp. Let me quickly show you the dippers that we are using on this one.
Wat het jy opgehou? Hierdie twee met wat se vloot?
Nee, ek het self te floatie en pit. Ek het so pit en so floatie. Okay, roll ons my braaf. Guys, there's another beautiful carp here at Flamingo Bay. Guys, we're spending the day with Legends Pro Angling Ray
You have 2 new babies on the market. These are the only 2 dips that I had on the stand today. And it's the only 2 dips I was using. Ray, tell us about the new dips, what's happening, and why are they so beautiful?
This one's beautiful. You can see, check here, heavy fluoro almond. It's Magnus said he used one of these floats, I think.
Floats as well, yes.
And then one of these mealies, the Uyashiza mealie.
Uyashiza means hot. Yes.
Uyashiza is hot. So yeah, it's hot in this weather.
Hot in this weather.
Guys. Look how amazing fish Magnus just caught. These carps are so fat. The camera doesn't do it justice. And we just keep catching them.
Yeah,
it's like the bigger the waves are, the more fish.
Yeah, the bigger the waves are, the more fish we are catching. It's bite after bite, guys. But check it out. Legends, 2 new dips.
Chill Factor, Uyashiza, winter.
What a winter combo. There we go. Hot spice, almond. Let's do this. Sure, guys. It is still carnage at Flamingo Bay. Guys, we had an awesome day. Fish everywhere, left, right, center. Guys, check this out. 2 new dips we fished from Legends today. Chill Factor, that almond is a very, very special flavor for the Vaal. Ooh, in the winter. And of course the floats as well. And then Ishashiwa that I still can't pronounce. It's the hot spice in white. If you don't have white right now, wherever you're going, you're missing out. So yeah, those 2 on the stand today. Another fish on. It's chaos. Let's get it in the net. Let's see what it is. Guys, the fish is here. Let's net it. It's another small carp. Decent carp here in the Vaal. Gonna net it and get the rods back in the water. Now we're just walking after it. There we go. Bah! Another carp in the net. Let's get the rod back in the water. Catch another one.
Side, there we go. Your side.
Guys, look at this beautiful little mirror that just came out of the Vaal. Guys, we're having a blast. We are almost done. Check it out, guys. Look out for the full DVD with Legends Pro Angling Legacy Series. Guys, there we go. Doof doof. Yeah, at the Vaal.
Seerkolletjies, maar pragtige visie. Beautiful mirror.
Pragtige speelkarpie. Gaan gou terug sit. Lekker om hulle te vang. Ek het julle gewys Maximus met daai wurmpie en ek sit hom nou terug. O, wat het ek? Ek het 'n Troy mieliepit ook op. So dit beteken nie mielies vang groot vis nie, maar hulle love dit hierdie visse. Yo, kyk, ons is aan. Dit hou net aan hier so gee by Flamingo Bay. Ongelooflik lekker. En hierheen, ek het hom nou net gegooi. Kyk hierso. Hy swem daar na die bome toe. Ons gaan hom nou weer uitkry.
Soos hier by Flamingo Bay en hierdie vis is ongelooflik. Hulle hou net aan en aan en aan. Hardloop. Dit bly lekker. Die dag word 'n bietjie warmer. Die wind het nou lekker gestamp. Ek het 2 wurmpies op geryg, slangwurms met 'n Uyashiza fluitie op die punt. En wat kan ek sê? Nie 15 minute later is ons weer aan. So what a day, som opgooi of niks. Ongelooflik lekker en is nog nie eens 12 uur ouens, net om julle idee te gee. So, nee, kom ons kyk wat is hier aan. Is dit 'n koppie? Ja. Miskien is hy net poep gehaak. Nee, it's a Charlie. In 'n lyn. 'n lyn in 'n Charlie. Ja, sê. Yo. Okay, mooi barber hierso, slangwurms met Uyashiza float tot die barbers love hy goed. Julle moet dit kry, ongelooflik lekker. What a fight. Hierdie net gehardloop, ons weet nie wat aan die ander kant van die lyn is nie en dit is hoekom hengel lekker bly. Val hier in die Vaaldam. Kyk hierdie mooi vet pensie. Hulle is in baie goeie kondisie en almal sê altyd jy kan nie in die winter 'n barber vang nie. Hier's 'n paar barbers vandag al uit. So kom kuier, by Flamingo Bay en kom gooi jou slangwurms en kom vang hierdie mooi babers. Laat hy so wie uit die weg swem. Watch. Ek het hierdie nou net weer gegooi, het word net te maklik. Slangwurms, weer die floutie vooraan, nou Uyashiza flout, en ons het nou net daai kant geskep, by Storm, die eienaar,
Ek gaan ook nou een gooi.
hy gaan ook nou 'n slangetjie gooi, jy weet, ons is tyd vir 'n baber, ons het nou al die mooi karpe gevang, Brennan en Christian het ongelooflik mooi grasies gevang vandag, truly blessed, what a day, en net voor die, hoe noem hulle dit, prefrontal, my nuwe gunsteling woord. So nee, kom ons kyk wat is hier aan, en dan vang ons nog een. Kyk, 'n fight play fight. Ons is hier so nou. 'n belangrike tip is, kry altyd jou baber verby jou na die oewer toe, en dan skep jy hom tussen jou en die oewer. Dit help partykeer as dit 'n baie groot vis is. Hierdie een is nie. As klink baber. Kyk my mooi snor. Pragtige vis. Ek sit hom nou terug.
Guys, Flamingo Bay, public venue, in June, in the winter. Guys, we rocked and rolled it.
No, it was amazing. Thank you guys. I think it was a stunning day. We caught a lot of fish, and yeah.
We were blessed with
We were
all
blessed.
the different species, all the different sizes. Well done to these two. One of them are gonna swim this one. But we're very thankful. The products are working. You know, I can think all of us were using the same things the whole time.
Chill factor and
Uyashiza.
Uyashiza.
Hot spice, hot. It's white and it's hot. It's beautiful, guys.
So if you can't say the name, just go and ask for the hot dip from Legacy Series. Go to the shops. There's floaties, white floats. The chill factor really stood out today as well. But well done, beautiful fish.
Yeah.
Anything marvelous on your
Guys, thank you so very much, Christian, Ray, legends. We really thank you guys. We had an amazing day here at the Vaal. Go check out the DVD. It is amazing, guys. Thank you very much.
Flamingo
Have a good
Bay,
one.
public venue, Vaal Dam, winter. Boom.
Boom. Cheers.